Hello, fellow learners. Today, we will discuss a topic that often confuses beginners: coding versus programming. We'll break down these terms, so by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what each means in the world of tech. Let's dive in. Welcome, everyone. As said, we're tackling the often confusing concepts of coding and programming. If you're new to the tech world, don't worry, we're here to make it crystal clear. Let's start with coding. At its core, coding is the act of writing instructions for a computer. It's like giving a series of steps, telling the computer what you want it to do. If coding were a recipe, you'd be writing down the exact steps to bake a cake. Imagine you're building a website. When you write code, you're essentially telling the computer how each element on the page should look, where it should be placed, and what it should do. It's the hands-on part of making things happen in the digital world. Now, programming takes it a step further. It's not just about writing specific instructions, it's about designing and planning the entire process. If coding is like writing a single line of a play, programming is creating the entire script, deciding the plot, characters, and how everything connects. Let's stick with our website example. The programmer is the mastermind who decides what the website will be about, how users will navigate through it, and what happens when they click certain buttons. It's the big picture, the architecture of the whole digital experience. Here's the crucial part: coding and programming work hand in hand. You need coding to implement the specific actions and features, but without programming, you might end up with a collection of features that don't make sense together. They're like the dynamic duo of the tech world. Let's simplify it further. If coding is like writing sentences in a language, programming is crafting an entire story. Coding is building individual Lego pieces, programming is constructing the entire Lego castle. Coding is the process of making a cake, programming is choosing the type of cake. Understanding the difference matters because it shapes how you approach problems. If you're a hands-on problem solver who loves specifics, you might enjoy coding. If you enjoy thinking about the big picture and planning, programming might be your forte. As you start your journey in tech, you might find yourself drawn more to coding or programming, and that's perfectly okay. It's like choosing between painting intricate details or creating a breathtaking landscape, both are essential in their own way. To wrap it up, coding is the hands-on writing of specific instructions, and programming is the strategic planning of the entire process. They're both crucial, and as you dive into the tech world, you'll likely find joy in both. Thanks for joining us on this beginner-friendly exploration of coding versus programming. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights so we break the YouTube algorithm together. Happy coding!